So we're pulling up to the airport, Stansted Airport to be precise. And yeah, we're on our way to Spain, Tenerife.
I'm excited, nervous, because it's the first time as a family.
Our first family holiday. Got our little lapushka at the back, Kimberly. She's currently sleeping, but you guys will see more of her during the trip and whatnot. Yeah, airport. Currently got a suitcase on my lap. When you got a girl who's an overpacker, this is what happens.
Hey, you're going to be thanking me shortly. I'm trying to see where the car park is.
The car park, we are in the orange car park.
Yeah, but like, I don't know.
Okay, let's see what it says on these. They're never like just straightforward with their signs.
That's the thing, and this is why I wasn't early, because I don't want to spend time looking for a car park, do you know what I mean? What does it say? It's a short stay orange down there.
Nigga, we made it. Hey, we made it.
We're finally on the plane, making our way to Spain, Canary. You see, it's been for my foot's been glossy, my skin's glossy. It's been running to make it here. A lot of haters on us trying to hold us back. We made it to the flight. Little mama with me. And yeah, man, we're gonna make our way now. And yeah, it's gonna be an amazing time. I'll show you guys what. You know that boy took the window seat. Yes sir. Needed that. And yeah, man, it's gonna be fun. I'll keep you guys in the loop. Maybe I'll play some more Love Me Like in the Sky. So we're here inside the hotel. Looks amazing. Looks lovely. Yeah, man. Let's just go check. Let's check in now. Catch you guys in a bit when we get to the room. Okay, boom. Mission complete. Mission complete. On the way back to the hotel now. Had to go collect the travel clock because we left it behind, unfortunately. So have to fork out on the cab there and on the cab back. But it is what it is. We're here to enjoy it. So as far as we've got all of our belongings, that's the main thing. But yeah, so catch you guys at the hotel. I've even seen my room yet, imagine. Crazy. Anyway, okay. He's showing no signs of sleeping. Might even need a nappy change as well. You got mum over there, hungover, lightweight behaviour. She had 3 sangrias and a mojito, a special mojito, so I give her that. This guy juiced it up. But she asked how I don't get hungover, and I told her that my metabolism. Some niggas got the genes, some niggas don't. And yeah, my body seems to use alcohol as fuel, while her body seems to be beat up by alcohol. So I think this depends who you ask. Tomato, as they would say. But that is not great. Let me. Yeah, so as you can see in the morning, it looks really nice. Look, got that boy over there doing that cleaning, spraying down, jet washing everything. And yeah, man. That's a little castle for the little princess. Should be moving in there soon. Yeah, so let's get it. But yeah, I do feel kinda juiced this morning, but I ordered some water to the room, and these punks bought 2 bottles in a hot country like this, so I'm gonna shout and tell them, yo, bring some more, because I don't know if they're trying to give the water for her or for me. Yeah, my whole setup, my whole mouth, everything is dry up right now, so let me get hydrated, get some breakfast in me, and then yeah, we'll reconvene. Gang. Say gang. Gang, on her behalf. So we're here for breakfast. Hello? Anything new? Not in a good mood because we took her out of her element in the room she was playing. But we gotta eat, mama. So yeah, we're here getting breakfast now.
Nice.
Young walk in the morning, my baby. She excited? Walk around the spot and whatnot. Just get it. Alright, so boom. Your boy's feeling a little bit loose. Loosey-goosey. And Kimberly's still sleeping, thank God.
Can I just say I have incredible reflexes? I almost dropped my drink and then I saved it mid-air, and then even the way it was like rapid.
And then you heard what she said, she almost dropped her drink, so it wasn't no one else's doing, so she had to save her own mistake. So it's up to you guys to take it as you will. This shit is hella close to my face. Anyway guys, I'm on that sangria tonight. So I come in here making me 2 mojitos. I think these are my new favourite drinks, to be honest. So you see she's putting that yak in, so a lot of yak. It's a whole lot of yak. Mix. Yes, sir. First drink of the day. Thank you, Carmen. Yes, the West. It's a good vid, Bit of garnish. Thank you very much, Carmen. Damn, that boy clean. That boy too clean. Anyway, yeah. Just finished dinner. Had some Japanese food. No lie, feeling real burst. 2 rosés and a sangria. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the pool at night. It looks amazing, it looks beautiful. Hopefully it's not too dark and you guys can hear me, because this guy up there is putting on a show. Up there is like a bar, upstairs is like a bar. And that boy's singing up there, so yeah. Okay. So, what are we doing?
We are walking up the seaside, and my legs are aching.
Tell me about it. My legs are burning right now. There's a whole lot of hills around there. Given that these are volcanic islands.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks a little rocky.
Yeah.
Feels like I've done a workout, mate.
We're having a good time.
Look
Very
at.
relaxed.
Yeah.
Please.
Yep, conked. She got her little veil there.
Yeah.
Don't want too much breeze hitting her.
It's just like it's too windy. It's just quite enough. Very picky.
Very particular. But yeah, so just going on a little hike. See where the trail takes us.
Yeah.
Not gonna venture too far because we have got the pram.
Eye candy.
Yeah, even though this eye candy is putting in work, but
Putting in a lot of work.
there's still a lot of rocks and hills and shit. I'm trying to mess up the road, so yeah.
So they've got John C.
Gen C, okay, yeah, he's lit. We know about John C. Coldest artist out, no cap. Yo, check him out. Yo, what's that sound he's got going on there? I don't think I can listen to my man.
Lonely.
Some late night creeping by myself at the sports bar. Went to get another drink and something to eat. So they got some sandwiches there and whatnot. So the boy back to grub up. Get that body through on them. Yeah, let's get it. Yeah, traveling with a baby means that some nights you're gonna be by yourself. Because obviously mama's got to sleep, the baby's got to sleep. So yeah, I'm just solo doloing tonight. Hopefully everyone not looking at me thinking I'm crazy, but it is what it is.
So, it's day 4 and I'm officially going home. I'm actually so sad, I can't lie, but it's been such a good holiday.
Yeah,
Look at little mama.
it's been a really good holiday. Enjoyed ourselves.
Yeah, thought we'd have a last sangria for the road.
Salute.
Salute. It's quite nice as well, this one. The way she's looking.
No, I'm none of that.
Not yet, not for another 18 years. Then you can have one
21
with us.
years, 25 years.
18 you can have one with us.
25.
Then 21 plus you can drink on your
25 you
own.
can have.
One with us.
30 you can have.
You should have left the nest long time. Oh my god, this makes my ears look like a flipping alien.
Yeah, it's amazing that I got known that.
So yeah.
Perks of travelling through COVID.
Yeah. But yeah, man, it's been a really good holiday. The weather's been extremely good since we've been here. It's only now that it's not bad, it's just not as sunny.
Right.
So we're leaving literally right on time, to be honest with you. But no, it's been really good. We've enjoyed it. We've been happy. She's been happy. The service and everything here has been fantastic. I can't even fault it. Yeah, I really highly recommend this place, to be fair.
Yeah, same. And I feel like definitely somewhere where we should revisit. Once Kimberly's older as well, I know she'll enjoy it even more.
Yeah,
But she had a lovely time.
She did. There's so much to do for children. in it. If you have a kid who's like 2+, I would say they'd have like best time ever.
Yeah, because there's so many activities, and they actually put effort into
They really
making
do.
sure the kids are entertained and whatnot.
Yeah, they've got kids club where they literally take the kids off your hands and like will take them around and then turn them at a certain time and stuff. So no, it's proper good.
Yeah, for sure.
And even though she's little, she's had loads of fun as well, to be fair.
What was your favourite thing that you done whilst you were there?
I don't know.
Obviously not specific event, just in terms of whatever you were doing.
I think, okay, I don't have a specific event, but I would say like my favourite thing was just that I've laughed a lot.
Yeah.
From being in the pool with her to you to just, we just laughed. And I just think that's just been my highlight, is just laughter. It's been so many good moments. And the scenery as well was just beautiful.
Yeah, for sure.
I think even just waking up every day and seeing this is just a highlight as well.
Yeah, man.
Just like opening the balcony and seeing this is like
Lovely weather. Everyone's been friendly.
Everyone's so friendly. There's a lot of Brits, but everyone is super friendly. So yeah.
See you guys at the airport.
Off to the airport we go. She's looking a bit tanned.
Yeah, man, real tan.
She's looking quite brown.
Nice golden brown.
She's obsessed with this toy that I dad got. Look, don't know what it is. He knows, but
Among Us. It's a game. It's like a murder mystery kind of game.
She's literally obsessed.
Yep. And she picked out this colour as
Yeah,
well.
she actually did.
Gave her 3 to choose from.
And she was like, want the red one.
Need the red. It's nice and bright.
She's absolutely knackered. We had to wake her up just to get her ready. But hopefully that means she'll sleep on the plane.
Yeah. Okay, so when we're back in the airport, I'm at the duty free. I'm looking to see if there's anything I can get for family members, which is this. So yeah, I'm trying to like pick up a local or I don't know. But there's some nice bottles of Cortez over here. You can get a bottle of Cortez maybe in my box or something. I'm going to get something for my bro as well. There's a lot of stuff. So what to grab. Oh, I might get some of these cookies. Reserve my stuff over here. Let me grab some of these cookies from this girl. I think he's a good man. I know my brother's a young snack guard like me, so maybe biscuits are busting. I've got to get my bro a dozen. You dig? I'll let you know which ones I decide. Everyone's looking at me. I've never seen a young nigga vlogging before. But yeah, I'll let you know which ones I decide on. These truffles look like they might hit. Okay, so we're back in London now, and we've got all our suitcases and shit, just waiting for the pram to come out, and then we can make our way back to the car park and get the car. Yeah, so I'm just watching the carousel over here, because our luggage was on this one, but the pram wasn't, so I'm hoping no one's crazy enough to try to play me, take the shit, but I'm sure it's just probably either ended up on another carousel, or it's coming out in a bit. But yeah, so I'm just waiting, knackered, 4-hour flight, go back home, thank God. So we are on our way home. It's been a long journey. I'm knackered, Debs is knackered, the baby's knackered. So yeah, when we get home, to chill out thing, probably unpack a few essentials and the rest will have to get done tomorrow. Through the customs, and we are on our way home. Luckily we had the car park booked for whilst we were gone and stuff, so I'm not waiting for anyone, any taxis or anything like that. I'm just gonna go straight crib. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when we get home. It is 10:23. We are finally back home in the car park. Gotta pack all of our shit, well, unpack our shit. So I'm gonna take all the things upstairs. And yeah, we're home.